Hey friends. I hope everyone is well. Welcome to our program The Unknown. This is our first episode. In this episode we are going to know about some unknown planet. In the sky million planets are spinning. People have gone lot of time-space but we know very few about them. Today we are going to know about some unknown planet. So friends, no more late. Let's start it. Number 1 is GJ1214b. When it was discovered, the steamy water world that is GJ1214b is like no planet we know of, said Zachary Berta of the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics. A huge fraction of its mass is made up of water. It was discovered in 2009 and is a similar size to Earth, and has a thick, steamy atmosphere. The high temperatures and high pressures would form exotic materials like hot ice or superfluid water, substances that are completely alien to our everyday experience. Number 2 is HD 189733b. HD 189733b, more formally HD 189733ab, is an extrasolar planet approximately 63 light-years away from the Solar System in the constellation of Vulpecula, the Fox. The planet was discovered orbiting the star HD 189733a on October 5, 2005. When astronomers in France observed the planet transiting across the face of the star. With a mass 13% higher than that of Jupiter, HD 189733b orbits its host star once every 2.2 days at an orbital speed of 152.5 km per second, making it a hot Jupiter with poor prospects for life as we know it. Being the closest transiting hot Jupiter to Earth, HD 189733b is a subject for extensive atmospheric examination. Number 3 is CFB-DSIR 2149-0403. CFB-DSIR 2149-0403 was discovered by the Canada-France Brown Dwarfs Survey and Near-Infrared Sky Survey and confirmed by WISE data. Philippe Delorme, of the Institute of Planetology and Astrophysics of Grenoble in France, and his team, including researchers at Université de Montréal in Canada. Its distance is estimated to be 130 light-years from Earth. The closest confirmed rogue planet is PSOJ 318.522. This planet 2 to 3 billion years old brown dwarf with mass between 2 and 40 Jupiter masses. Spectroscopy observations have found absorption by gaseous methane and water. Number 4 is HD 188753b. HD 188753 is a hierarchical triple-star system approximately 151 light-years away in the constellation of Cygnus, the Swan. In 2005, an extrasolar planet was announced to be orbiting the primary star in the system. Since HD 188,753 A was believed to be orbiting in a multi-star system, Konaki referred to planets of this type as Tatooine planets after Luke Skywalker's homeworld. The detection of this planet has been challenged by Eggenberger et al. The existence of HD 188,753 AB in a relatively close triple star system challenged the current models of planet formation. Number 5 is 55 Cancri. 55 Cancri is a super-Earth about twice our planet's size that zooms around its star in 18 days. Just 40 light-years from Earth sits a planet which is largely made up of diamonds. Exoplanet 55 Cancri is twice as large as Earth, but its mass is almost 8 times as much. This is because of what the planet contains. Nikumadhu Sudden, from Yale, said, "This is our first glimpse of a rocky world with a fundamentally different chemistry from Earth." The surface of this planet is likely covered in graphite and diamond rather than water and granite. Number 6 is J1407b. Described as Super Saturn, the planet dubbed J1407b is like one big optical illusion. The celestial body, located just 434 light-years away, has a mass of about 40 times the size of Jupiter, and has 37 rings surrounding it which span near 120 million kilometers. "200 times the size of Saturn's rings." However, these rings may be the formations of moons, a process which has never been observed outside our solar system. Earth physics and astronomy professor Eric Momajek said, "This is probably the first indirect evidence we have of moons forming around planets outside of our solar system." Number 7 is HD 106906b. It was originally suggested that the planet known as HD 106906b shouldn't exist due to its size and distance from its star. The giant planet is 650 times the distance from Earth to the Sun and is 11 times the size of Jupiter. However, the average temperature on the planet is a staggering 1,500 degrees Celsius, despite its vast distance from its host star. The planet is only 13 million years old, just a baby when you consider that the universe is over 14 billion years old, and is still baffling scientists to this day. Number 8 is Gliese 436b. Gliese 436b is a massive contradiction. The Neptune-sized exoplanet has a small rocky core, followed by an icy exterior which takes up the majority of its size. On top of that, the planet has a huge hydrogen cloud, around 50 times the size of Gliese 436b, surrounding it, which leaves a trail from its orbit. Furthermore, It has a temperature of around 439 degrees Celsius, which is why it has been nicknamed the burning ice planet and is slowly causing it to evaporate. This cloud of hydrogen is very spectacular. Although the evaporation rate doesn't threaten the planet right now, we know that the star, a faint red dwarf, was more active in the past. Thanks for watching. See you next episode. Have a good time.